Namaskaram. Hello and welcome, hardworking individuals. So, Hantavirus is in news, and there is this question: is it going to be the next pandemic like the coronavirus? What does the World Health Organization and its Director General says about it? And guys, why is it being related to plague? Because in the case of Hantavirus, it is the rats which are making it spread to the human beings. Till now, we have not got the cases where it is traveling from human to human, but this news of the MV Hondius cruise ship where actually this outbreak has taken place. So if you see the Dutch expedition cruise ship MV Hondius, it began its journey from Uhuatia, that is in Argentina, on March 20 to April 1. Now it traveled towards Antarctica and then moved through Atlantic Oceans. But at this very period, we got patient zero that began showing flu-like symptoms around April 6. And the first confirmed death that happened on this, that was a Dutch national which occurred on the ship on April 11. Now following this, his wife died in South Africa on April 26 and a British national died on April 27 after being evacuated to a hospital. Currently, the WHO has noted multiple confirmed and suspected cases, including several deaths also. What's the current status right now? The ship has halted quarantine near the Cape Verde to prevent overloading the local hospitals. However, because some passengers at St. Helena, they disembarked. Now that really gives the risk of international exposure spreading to over 12 countries across Europe, Asia, and the other regions. So we should be cautious. And if you are an aspirant, guys, you should be cautious for your preparation. We are bringing you a master class that is by Deepika Reddy ma'am, having 20 plus years of experience for this APPSC Group 2. How do you get through the APPSC Group 2? You might be studying very hard, but if you don't have the strategy, if you don't have proper plans, if you don't get your doubts solved at the right time, you might miss the bus. So don't miss the bus. And guys, only a few seats are left, otherwise then you will just be cost at rupees 99. But why to pay that if you can get a free ship and if you can really enroll yourself at time? Now let's talk about this hantavirus and this Andes strain. So what is actually the hantavirus? Hantavirus is a viral disease which is normally carried by the rodents such as the rats, the mice, the squirrels. Okay, so it typically infects the human being through inhale. So you have to, in any which way, inhale the particles which are infected from the droppings and the urine of the mice or the rat or the squirrels, and that in terms affects two of your body parts majorly. Number one, it affects the respiratory lungs, okay, and number two, it also affects the internal bleeding and the kidney failure. That's a really very important point that you should know. If you talk about the mortality or the fatality rate, it's somewhere around 35 to 40%, and the primary transmission path is obviously the inhalation. That is something you should know about. This is a Andes virus strain. So unlike other strain, the Andes virus is capable to rare person to person transmission also. So it can travel from one human being to another human being, as we have seen in the ship. And this Andes virus, this is native to the South America, and the hantavirus pulmonary syndrome, that is the HPS symptoms, much like the flu-like occurs to the fluid-filled lungs and the respiratory system failure. Now, if you talk about it, we have already seen that it affects in the generally at two places, one at your lungs and second at your kidney. How come you prevent yourself from this? Obviously, you have to keep the wild rodents out of your home. You have to clean the infected areas, and in some way or the other, obviously, you have to use the mask so that inhalation can be in a way stopped. The Andes virus strain, if you talk about it, authorities suspect that the outbreak of this involves the Andes virus strain, which is native to South America. And this specific strain is highly dangerous because Unlike other hantavirus, it is capable of rare human to human transmission. Now, this makes it very important. Also, why we are having this cruise ship vulnerability? So, you see, this cruise ship, it is not an open place, rather, it is an enclosed environment. An enclosed environment give space to the viruses to travel more faster. So the symptom severity and the treatment, we have already seen that the hantavirus have the pulmonary syndrome, where you'll have fever, body pain, fatigue, nausea, and headaches. And as the virus progresses, it might severely impact your respiratory system or the internal organs. And obviously, we have seen around 40% of fatality rate that is already there. Now, the high fatality rate makes it very, very important for every individual to take care of. And we also don't have an antivirus for it as of now. So what we can do, we can only work on the prevention syndrome. And what does the WHO says? The WHO says that because the virus is carried by rodents or sheep, it is in a way being compared to the Black Death, that is the plague, which wiped out one third of Europe centuries ago. But WHO is affirming, confirming that it is not going to be another COVID-19 pandemic, as hantavirus is much lower in efficiency to COVID-19 for being casual airborne transmission. So that is really less in the case of hantavirus. So what is the way forward? Obviously, the WHO is trying to contaminate the efforts by analyzing the viral samples, tracing transmission chains, and all other things. What you should make sure is that your place is rodents free, and please check out if someone who has visited the SIP, if it is possible, or if they have come in contact, you should be avoiding them. Well, this is more the case of the national governments to take care of. And guys, before we meet again, I'll just like to say you, this viruses like situation, this happens once in decades, but we every day go through struggles to get through the exam, struggle to earn money, struggle to make a space for yourself in the life and society. Believe me, if you're working hard towards it, if you are honest in your efforts, and if you're consistent, today or tomorrow, you will be successful. Namaskar.